Yo, what's up, guys? See disclaimer in the description of this content. Morning Cup of Trades is not responsible for trades or investments made by viewers. Trading and investing can have substantial financial risk, and it is advised to seek advice from a qualified broker or financial advisor before trading or investing. This stream is for entertainment purposes. Trading live, real cash, S&P 500 futures. Let's get into it. Let's get on into it. I don't have much room today. I was an absolute idiot yesterday after having an insane day, one of the most insane days we've had with cash. And then I gave it all back from trying to chase like a 100-point candle for whatever reason. I don't know. Really disappointing. But one thing's for certain, I feel really good about the trading nonetheless. So I think we're good, man. I think we're going to be okay. I think we're going to be okay. All right, dudes. Let's see what we got. We're going to play some chess. We're going to look for some trades, look for something to happen. Yeah. Ow. Got an eyelash in my eye. Oh. Maybe I'll play some creator music. Yeah, okay. Hopefully that's not too loud. You're at 71, trying to get to 100K. That's right. $71. Probably, most likely, we will get liquidated today at $50, which is the max that I can technically lose. So we'll have to refund the account another couple hundred bones or something. We'll see. Almost 30 sessions deep. And we're down a pretty penny, but it's nothing too crazy. It's nothing more than I'd be spending with a prop firm. I gotta tell you guys, man, I'm feeling so damn good about the trading. Whether or not my account shows that, I feel so good about my trading. I am so stoked to keep on going. What is this? Server overload. What? The hell is that? Okay. Give me a second. Let me try and fix this. Chess.com just crashed. What? Okay. Dude, chess.com actually just crashed. Aw. Like, it's actually down. It actually crashed. Okay. Would I ever do just paper trading? Yeah, man, I've done paper trading. I've done it on stream many, many times. There was probably a 2-month period where all I did was sim trade. The problem with paper trading is it's unrealistic, though. It's extremely easy to be profitable with paper. The reason why people suck at trading isn't because of their strategy necessarily. It's because of the actions that they take, because of their dumb brains. The old stupid human brain is not supposed to be good at trading. Psychologically, it makes no sense to be good at this. We're not wired to do well with fear and greed, especially when money's involved. The only way to get better at it is to desensitize yourself from it. The only way to do that is with chart time and actual real counts of trading. Well, chess.com's down. We can't play no chess. That's okay. We're going to be looking for a trade anyway. See what happens in the next minute. Oh, we're back. All right, let's play, baby. It's slow, but try and get back. Cool. All right, we're back in some chess while we wait on a setup, guys. You guys an idiot? Just kidding. I really don't really want to long, although it looks okay to long. I don't really want to long in this market right now. We've moved a significant amount of points to the downside today. Since 2 a.m., we've fallen more than 100 points. The market's not looking too hot, to be honest. I already gave up. Okay. Check this out. I'm about to win right here off of 2 moves. He blocked it. He done blocked it. Oh. I screwed that up. Pretty bad, actually. We good? Testing. What? Okay, we're good. How's my day? What up, Joshua? It's going well. Should be going a lot more well if we can win this next trade. I feel like an idiot, man. We grew the account all the way back up to over 200. And I gave it all back on like a 100-point candle. So stupid. Oh, shit. This is Ninja Trader. It's the chart that you see, it's the charting platform, and it is the broker Ninja Trader. You guys can always sign up. Link in the description of the content. It is free to sign up for Ninja Trader using my link, and you also get 2 weeks of real-time data for free. Definitely go check it out. Oh shit. If I did that, it'd be bad. Okay. Okay. But yeah, man, this is a small account, $70. It's really nothing. Oops. I didn't mean for that to be on. Oops. That was bad. Oh, that was bad too. What the hell am I doing? That was a bad move. Okay. The wrong one. Ever trade the 1 hour? No, we're pretty much on the 30-minute right now. Candles are printing on 1 minute, but the data is from a 30-minute aspect, I guess you could say. That's from Bookmap's standpoint. Oh my god, I totally just missed that. That was bad. Bad, bad, bad. Damn. Dude just killed me. Oh, he's gonna kill me again. That was stupid on his part. I don't know why he did that. Must have misclicked. About to checkmate him. Mm. 20-point pop again. Gotcha. God. Gotcha. Gotcha. Sorry, buddy. Sorry there, buddy. Missed the bishop to take knight. Yeah, I probably did, dude. I'm a pretty noob. I almost said poker. Chess player. Oops. Oh well. Too easy. When is it going to promote me, man? These people are not, they're not the best. Oops. Oh, shit. Gave that one away. Gave that one away, too. Let my guard down.
Order
All right,
filled.
we're doing it. We're in. We're looking for a bounce. Finally in on a trade. We'll see if this happens. We don't have much. We only have about 16 bucks here before liquidation. So we're looking for a little bit of a pop off the bottom of day. We've got a green bubble, low in the liquidity. We don't have much left in the account though, guys. It's got to move here. If it doesn't, then we are done. Got to get some sort of pop. Low of day. Do we make it? Pop in the liquidity. Getting in at the bottom of the liquidity, we've got a green buy bubble. This is the setup, but we are trading a very weak day and we're going long, so it's a little bit risky. We'll see if it pays off. Third candle's in. We're still green on the volume. Resistance just went away at 40, came back, went away. See if we're able to get there, man. Push something. Next candle's in, we're up a point. Gonna keep on holding until there's a reason not to. Moving up pretty good. Resistance here at 40 keeps dwindling. If that goes away, then we should be good for a nice pop. Making a few bones. Get another good pop here in the liquidity and we should be looking decent. But again, we are trading weakness, so this could go either way right now. Looking for something. Couple points in the money. Pretty much trading the low of day, guys. The actual low of day. Wouldn't that be something if we actually tagged it? Liquidity is looking okay. The imbalance seems to be moving upward a little bit. Got a new bubble printing here in 20 seconds. If this bubble comes out red, we would be tagging out of the trade. But if we come out green and we start building some strength, we are going to continue to hold. Bubbles in, it's green, it's red. It's green, it's red. Don't know yet. Yeah, we're gonna take it. I'll take it right there, I guess, here at $8. At least it's going to be a green trade. We've got selling volume. I don't know. Could be good. Maybe it goes back green. Maybe not. I don't know. I can't tell the future. So we'll take the profit where we have it. And that's an $8 trade. Part of me wants to keep on holding. It's green now. It's green, it's red, it's green, it's red. It's too uncertain, so I'll just take what I can. Get out of that. Yeah. What I really want now is to look for some strength if we can and get in short. That'd be ideal. 10% gains with one trade. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. That's crazy, huh? Appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. Thanks for being here. Yeah, he's got the better move. There's nothing I can really do about that. It's fine. Unrestricted by TP and SL. When did that happen? It happened about one session ago, man. Talked about it on stream yesterday. I decided I am done feeling shackled by a stop loss. I am done feeling shackled by how much I can make and how much I can't make. I truly, and it's not like this for everybody, I do believe that it definitely has to do with the specific person, but it's killing me. Like, it really is. The brackets are destroying my game. I'm getting stopped out on trades I shouldn't be stopped out on because I am putting those restrictions on myself. Here's how I'm going to be trading moving forward. I am not going to use brackets. I'm not going to use a stop. I'm not going to use a TP. I've flirted with this in the past, but it never really stuck because I found myself getting greedy, right? I'd be like, oh, I'm up 20 points. I'm up 30. How much more do I take? I keep holding and then I lose all the profit, right? But there was a gap. There was a gap in my trading. My strategy didn't make sense because the only reason why I would get out was just because I was like, oh, well, I feel good about taking 20 points. I feel good about taking 30 points. Yeah, let me get out. But there was no reason for me to get out, so I didn't know how long I could truly keep holding. What I found is I am now in a position to where with my approach, I have a reason to exit. If I'm in on a trade, I continue to hold that trade until something on the heat map tells me otherwise. And what that something is simply the out of favor volume. If I'm long and we get a red bubble, I'm just going to close the trade. If there's more selling than buying and I'm long, I'm just out. If there's more buying than there is selling and I'm short, then I'm out. It's that simple. If I'm in profit, great. If I'm not, whatever. I'm cutting my loss short and I'm not going to just wait and see if something happens. It is truly just trading the data, trading what's given to me. And that's really it. I am done thinking that I'm able to make 40 points or 60 points or 80 points without any reason behind it. I'm done thinking that that's possible. I'm just going to take what the market gives me and walk away, and that's it. And you guys will see that here in the content moving forward. Partials and holding of structure and momentum back it up. Yeah. And when I get to a point where the account is large enough, then I will take partials. I will size in. I'll do all those things. But as of now, we're only with, one contract. So we can only do what we can do. I would love to go long, but I'm a little afraid to go long in the next green candle. We are in such a downfall that it is best that I likely take shorts. Seriously. See, right now it'd be my setup. I'm just a little afraid. It is literally at it though. Man, I shouldn't be afraid. It's a winning trade. Already up a few points, really. I mean, what are the odds the market keeps falling? It's already fallen so much, right? I'm gonna turn the music off. Just hear the sound of the sweet chessboard. How about that? What's the yellow chart valuation indicator? It is actually the imbalance indicator. It is the buying and selling in the order book. The imbalance is the difference between the buying and selling in the order book. And that is what that is. It is the true imbalance. We are wildly in favor of sells in the order book. There is a ton of selling. God dang it, dude. I am getting pinned up here. I'm waiting on this guy to make a mistake. There it is. Dude, there's not a whole lot I can do. Yeah, we are negative 12,000 on the imbalance. That means that there's essentially a 12,000 contract difference between the bid and the ask in the order book. That's quite substantial. Shoot. We are so screwed, boys. I'm just going to have to concede, probably. Oh, man, a part of me wants to really throw down in that long. We got a red bubble, bottom liquidity that is not an entry, but it is now that it's going green. I'm just going to play smart, though. But anyway, man, yeah, here I am. I'm just continuously trying, right, to like battle myself with a risk and reward. Sometimes I think we are prisoners of our RR. I really do. I just feel like it's cutting my potential insanely. And I'm just kind of done with it. At the end of the day, I find myself getting ticked out on stops and not getting my TPs by ticks and losing trades. That's driving me insane. I feel like it's happening like every 3 trades. So yeah, I'm just done with it. I am done with it. I'm okay with however it ends. However the trade ends is okay with me. If I'm up, if I'm down, I'm cutting my loss. I'm cutting my loss when there's a reason to cut the loss. And I'm cutting my win when there's a reason to cut the win. It's really that simple. One thing's for certain that I've never had in my trading before, and that is I've never had an exit strategy that was really defined. I've always catered all my strategies and approaches around the entry. It was never based around the exit. This is almost more exit heavy than it is entry heavy, and that's why I think it's going to work so well. We got to get this imbalance somewhere else, though. So long story short, I cannot take a short trade unless the imbalance is in the top range. I cannot take a long trade unless the imbalance is in the bottom range. But in order to even execute the trade, I also need confluence of the volume bubble. If we're at the bottom of the liquidity, see, like this is good right here. We're at the top of the liquidity, getting to the top of the liquidity range, and we have a selling bubble. That's what I want to see as an entry for a short. So we're probably going to take this here in just a moment. Actually, I'm okay on taking this right now.
Order filled.
Let's do it, guys. We're going short. If that bubble goes green, I exit the trade. It's green. It's trying to go red. Yeah, it's too green.
Order filled.
So now I got to hop out. It's unfortunate, but it's what I got to do. Got to take the loss. It's not much loss. I just have to keep myself from getting screwed on that pop up because it could happen. Might do a re-entry. Yeah. And it's coming down. And it's going up. What's important is I'm keeping things small when they need to be small, right? I've taken 2 trades, I'm up $1. I've taken a small $6 loss. I'm cutting things when they're not in favor, and I'm letting things run when they are. That's the difference. When there is no favor, I'm cutting very early. Losses are very small, generally. And when we're in favor, we are just holding through the noise as much as it hurts, and it always hurts. It always hurts holding through the noise, but it'll pay off. It will pay off. Oh man, it dumped too, didn't it? This is still good for a buy, or I mean a sell. I should probably do it. Keeps on moving up.
Order
Yeah, I'm gonna
filled.
do it. I'm selling. We've got the liquidity at the top. We've got a selling bubble. This is okay for me for an entry. We'll see if we can move on some more weakness. We get auto liquidated here around 16 bucks. 18 bucks. That would mark the end of the account. It will need to be refunded. Got to keep finding some weakness. Once that bubble goes green, we are exiting the trade. But until then, we are staying in on this trade. So far, so good. We've got no stop and no TP. I'm letting this ride. Bubble's still red. Price is bouncing though. We don't have much room in the account. It's likely we get liquidated. But we got to play it when we have it. Yeah, looks like we're probably moving green. Maybe. Got a new bubble coming in here in 20 seconds. If we dump more, we would be in for a pretty good trade, but got to hold the weakness in 10 seconds. If this next bubble starts printing green, we got to hop out. But if we start moving red and we start growing into that selling volume, then we are solid. Green. And is it going to go red? I will give it a second to see where it's going to move. It's pretty big red. Initially, obviously green, but moving into some weakness. We'll see if it can hold the weakness. Gotta hold the
Order
weakness. No.
filled.
So I pretty much hop out with, not a lot, like a $2 loss is what it is. Might have ended up working out. I don't know. Oh, we've got more weakness again. I don't know. It's tough because we're at low of day. It's kind of back and forth. It's 1 o'clock. And there's the weakness ensuing. We also have some strength possibly that could move in. Does look like some strength is going to move in. We're at the bottom of the liquidity. No. No. It's too questionable. We're at low of day. You might be thinking like, oh, we're gonna pop up. It's gotta pop up. Then you find yourself on the wrong side. It just plummets further. It's tough to call right now. At low of day, it really is. Got a lot of support. 425 support. If that goes away, then the price would likely move. Next bubble print should begin in 50 seconds. It's crazy we've taken so many trades with little to no capital. Really, really, really trying to survive here. The bubbles are printing on a 5-minute basis, by the way. Oh shit, I did not see this guy was in here. 10 seconds. Liquidity is kind of, I don't know. I didn't really like where it was, like in the middle of the range. If we stay strong green with liquidity getting down there to the bottom, the imbalance, see what we can do. All right, we're still green. Falling away. Now we're red. It's hard to tell. I feel like I can't get a good entry because the imbalance is a little squirrely. Oh, man. Probably not bad. Got some support at 25. See if it holds. We have just been, we're just kind of grinding down, guys. Oh my goodness. All right, going real low now. $20 is the next support. I am down to get in short. If we can move up enough in the imbalance to indicate a good entry for me, then I will do it. If we stay red like that. So if we go green here on the bubble, I'm down to do it. I'm down to do it. But what may happen? Huh. Oh man, that's pretty good actually. He just screwed me. Ooh, we are falling, boys. We need a green bubble here. If we get a green bubble here in 10 seconds, I am in long. Let's see what happens. It's green, it's red, it's still red.
Order filled.
I'm gonna do it. Definitely really risky going against the entire market right now, but we've got a little bit of buying volume. Nope. Yep, nope. It's kind of going back and forth. This is probably going to be the last trade of the day. It's got to hold here. No, it's going to liquidate
Order filled.
It just dumped. Continued to dump. Is what it is, man. Is what it is. Can't really expect much. We're trying to hold the account alive after oh man, look at that. Damn it. Trying to hold the account alive with $15. That's probably the low of day right there on the wick that we got tagged out on too. Bummer. Bummer, dude. Yeah, maybe a good entry at 22. Switch over to the sim account and play this one.
Order filled.
See what would have happened. It's a pretty decent entry. I am genuinely curious. We've only lost about 5 to 10. So much weakness today, guys. We've moved almost 200 points. Market's not looking good. Told myself from the beginning to only take shorts. We have so much weakness. I don't know. Some of the setups presented themselves. Work on gold? I don't know, man. I don't really trade commodities. Anytime I've tried trading them, I didn't really understand the price action, to be honest. That was a really good entry right there. Right when it went green, we were well below. Really good entry at 20. But this probably wins. It's probably a really good trade here. Pretty much the low of day. I mean, it is the low of day. If there's any pop, it will be pretty good. Yeah, this trade's probably massive. It's a bummer that we got tagged out of this, but I needed to wait a little bit longer before I could find that reversion. That sucks, but we'll see it play out. I want it to be known too that we got wicked out by liquidation as there was only $16 left in the account to trade. So had I not gotten wicked, things might have been a little different, but I don't know. We'll see. Really good entry right here. We still have buying volume. Liquidity is bottomed out. That would have been an amazing entry right before I said it. What? Still about the same area. 20 is a great entry according to my approach. I'm willing to bet that this probably gives us a nice pop before we see another red bubble. We'll see how it ends up. I'll close the trade on first red indication of the bubble. Yeah, this trade's probably going to be massive. It is a bummer that it just didn't work out quite, just a little bit off, man, just a little bit off. I could have closed that trade on the first red bubble and probably lost a little bit. Had about 10 left. I don't know. I'm really cutting hairs here with not having any drawdown, much less stress. I don't know, man. I don't feel what you're mentioning. I don't feel more stressed. I don't feel actually any more or less. If anything, I feel a lot less emotion trading a small cash account. Trying to get the challenges completed and then get to payout and then risking way too much and wanting to make it happen really quick, that's really emotional for me at least. I think we're good. We're going to be all right. I'm not spending any more than I would be if I was trading with a prop firm anyway. I really do feel like I figured out what I should be doing after so much trial and error. Holy crap, man. That's not good. I appreciate y'all's input, but um, I got this. I got this, man. I feel really good. Trust me.
Order filled.
And that would, in theory, be our trade. We got some selling volume coming in. That's the reason to exit. It could keep moving. Who knows? I can't tell the future, but that would be the trade. That's the concept right there. Whew, man, I gotta tell y'all, I am, I am stoked. I'm stoked. I really am. I'm feeling. You guys don't see it because all you guys see is the account falling to nothing. But I'm feeling freaking good, dude. I'm feeling really good about the trading in the near future. Mark my words. What is it? March 26th, March 27th? I'm going to turn a new leg on this. Ugh. That's fine. Watch you since trade day back in 2024 February. Hopefully something clicks for you one day. Yeah, dude, you've been watching a while. I've had a lot of clicks. I really have, but I can't say I've ever felt confident about my actual exit strategy. I don't think I've ever truly had an exit strategy. The exit strategy has always just been the brackets. Why am I taking 20 points? Because I just think that I'm able to get there? Maybe the ATR. Why am I taking 10 points? Why am I scalping 2 points? Why am I ever exiting? There's never been there has never been any reason for exit based on data. There just hasn't been. Maybe ATR, but that's not enough. This approach has an exit strategy and it has an entry strategy, and it does not have any TP or any stop loss. The reward is significant. Letting winners run. Can I lose pretty big too? Sure, there's no stop loss. It's going to be a risk. But in the grand scheme of things, taking like 3 stop losses in a row is going to equate to whatever that big loss might be anyway. I'm not going to lose $400 in 2 seconds. Could happen maybe if I'm not paying attention to what's going on, but with some normal volatility, normal price action, I think we're going to be looking pretty good. I feel damn good, man. It's Friday. We got nothing else left to trade in the account. I have burned the 200 that I pretty much put back into the account. But damn, I'm feeling good. I'll take a couple more trades here in the simulation. I will be out of town next week, so I probably won't be trading. Actually, I know I won't be trading. I won't be trading at all Monday through Wednesday, but that's okay. That'll give me some time to get some funding back in the account. So as of now, the account started at 100. We lost 50. I funded it 200. We lost 200. We are at this moment down 250 over the course of about 30 days, almost 30 days of trading S&P 500 futures. The way I see it, that's pretty much like one big evaluation or a couple cheaper evaluations anyway. Maybe a few if it's one of the really cheaper ones like that $50 one that's interesting. I will say this, I'm not necessarily done with prop firm trading. but I am taking a step back from it. I find myself more easily controlled and less unhinged when I'm trading with cash, probably because of the accountability aspect. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Lucid's doing it good. If this bubble goes green, we're in. I don't think it will, though. $3 days to pay out, not 5. Yeah, dude, that's sick. Lucid seems to be up in the game. It's like anything, though. It's all just competition. I bet those rules don't stick forever. That sounds nice, though. All right, bubble's green. Kind of wanted a liquidity to be a little lower on entry, though. If we can come down just a bit, then I'll get in. Guys, it seems like I'm being delusional or maybe like insane, but I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you guys, I feel so damn good. I feel like, I don't know if I've ever actually had this much confidence in my trading.
Order
Here we go.
filled.
We're in. Let's let this puppy ride. Liquidity spiked all the way down, creating an ideal entry for me. We still have really good volume on the buy side. Could go away. If it does, we just get out. If it doesn't, we just let it ride. I gotta say, man, damn, I've never felt this confident about my trading. I guess I have maybe had something click. The confluence of the volume with the imbalance just feels so damn solid to me. I have nothing to back this up because the account has been decimated, but I'm feeling pretty confident we're going to turn a new leg here on the cash account. Carmen Rosado? Isn't that guy like a known guru? Sounds familiar. I don't really, I don't indulge in anyone else's strategies. Sometimes I feel like it's bad for my mental state to look at someone else's ideas. I start to question things too much. I'm still trying to figure my brain out, dude. It's a it can be an uncontrollable space. You're still using wave trend? Hell yeah, man. That's awesome. I love that. Oh, we have a red candle. Yeah,
Order
technically it's a
filled.
sell. Little profit, whatever. I wasn't paying attention. Probably could have gotten out a little bit better actually, but or a red bubble, sorry. I never would have thought I would feel so good about losing $250. But guys, in the grand scheme of things, like I'm day trading. I've been day trading for a month. I've lost 250. I mean, if we're talking about market downturns, losing 250 bucks when the entire stock market's within a month gone down like 8 or 10% over all this war stuff. That hurts a little more than 250. So if I want to look at it with some girl math perspective, I probably gained money by losing 250. Let's look at it like that. How about that? Just kidding, but not really. Girl math, dude. Girl math. Oh, you think you're smart, don't you? Damn it, dude. This guy's gonna decimate me. This dude really just screwed me. uh, yeah, that sucks. Oh my god. This dude and his horses. This guy wrecked me. Wow. This is gonna be a tough game. Damn, that was probably a pretty good entry, actually.
Order filled.
Getting in, like, probably a little late. No, it's red. Maybe. No. It's definitely red. This would be a cut at 10. I don't know. Part of me doesn't want to.
Order filled.
It's fine. I got out right at the end of the wick. Oh my god, dude. I deserve it. Was this one? What am I doing?
Order filled.
Here we go. There's no way I can win this. Still a good buy. So I'm gonna keep holding.
Order filled.
There's the red. Take a $5 profit. Doesn't he win? Yeah, that was stupid. I moved the wrong pawn. Girl math, not so much. All right, Alex, take it easy, man. Have a good one. Oh, here we go. Damn.
Order filled.
I'll take that. Oh, it's a red bubble. Hmm.
Order filled.
Yeah, take the loss. There's the drop. Queen, G2 checkmate. Yeah, I'm pretty weak at this. Still getting better. Young trader. Nice, man. Ooh, the market's not doing too hot, boys.
Order filled.
It's a good entry for me. See if it works. This will be the last trade of the day, guys. Should be a pretty good one.
Order filled.
All right. Bubble went red. We hop out. This is how it goes. Guys, that's going to be it on the day. I don't really have much else to do. We got liquidated in the account, so it'll need refunding if we want to continue. So any tips to grow fast? No, I don't got any tips to grow fast, man. I've been doing this for 2 years and still working on growing. My biggest tip is to just journal your trades with recordings, video recordings of yourself trading, and analyze them. Look for approaches that make sense to you and figure out what you can make better. That's my biggest tip. Guys, it's gonna be it. Hope y'all have a good weekend. I'll be coming back around Wednesday, probably realistically Thursday. I'll be live again. But until next time, we're gonna have to fund the account a little bit more to keep the cash account alive. I'll see y'all then, man. Hope y'all have a good rest of the day, good weekend. Peace out.